Welcome to Element Pack Pro. In this video, we're excited to introduce the powerful white label feature available in version 8.0. It allows you to fully rebrand the plugin with your own name, logo, and custom details. By replacing the default branding inside the WordPress dashboard, it lets developers and agencies present the plugin as their own. Ready to take control of your brand experience? Let's get started. To get started, log into your WordPress dashboard and find the Element Pack Pro tab located on the left-hand sidebar. Click on it, and you'll be directed to the newly revamped Element Pack Pro dashboard. From here, navigate to the Extra Options tab, which houses a variety of advanced settings. One of the standout features in this section is the powerful white label feature. Before you can use the white label feature, you'll need to ensure your license is eligible. This option is exclusively available for users with specific licenses such as the Agency Package, Developer Package, Extended License, or AppSumo Tier 3. If you're currently using a personal package license, as we are in this example, the white label option will not be available yet. To unlock this feature, we'll begin by deactivating the current license and activating an eligible one, in this case, the Agency Package license. Once your new license is active, return to the white label settings under Extra Options. You'll now notice that the feature is unlocked and ready to use. To begin customizing, you'll see a toggle switch on the right side of the screen. Flip the switch to enable the white label mode. Once it's activated, several new configuration options will appear. The first field is called White Label Title. This is where you can replace the default Element Pack Pro name with a custom title of your choice. For example, let's enter My Plugin as the new title. Next, you'll find the white label title icon setting. Here, you'll see an Upload icon button. By clicking this button, you can upload a custom icon to replace the default Element Pack Pro logo. Select an icon from your device, and it will apply to your plugin branding. Following this, there is an option labeled Hide License Menu. On the right side, you'll again see a toggle switch. Enabling this option will hide the license menu from the admin sidebar whenever the white label mode is active. Once you've made all your desired changes, scroll down and click the Save White Label Settings button to apply the new branding. After saving, you'll see that the plugin's name now appears as My Plugin, along with the custom icon you selected. Additionally, the license menu will no longer be visible in the sidebar, giving the plugin a completely rebranded and client-friendly interface. The last setting in this section is called Enable BDTEP HIDE Constant. Like the others, it has a toggle switch next to it. Enabling this feature goes one step further. It completely hides the entire Element Pack Pro interface from the WordPress dashboard. The plugin will still function in the background, but it won't be visible in the admin menus. Once you enable this setting, a warning message will appear informing you that this action will remove all branding and dashboard menus related to Element Pack Pro. It may be difficult to access again unless you have a special access link. Thankfully, the system will send an email containing this recovery link. Click OK to confirm, and you'll see a message indicating that BDTEP HIDE mode is now active. Below that message, it will also confirm that an access email has been sent to both the license email address and the WordPress admin email. Now, click Save White Label Settings one more time to apply the change. You'll immediately be returned to the main WordPress dashboard, and as expected, the plugin will be completely hidden from view. To bring it back, go to your email inbox. There, you should find an email with a secure access link. Click on that link, and you'll be taken back into the Element Pack Pro dashboard. Once you're in, head over to the white label settings again and disable the BDTEP HIDE Constant option. Don't forget to click Save White Label Settings to make the plugin visible once again on your dashboard. And that's how you can fully rebrand Element Pack Pro using the white label feature to create a seamless professional experience for your clients. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated with the latest features and tools. Thanks for watching.